We all want to make money from dropshipping. Sounds good. We like the lifestyle, making money passively. But then the problem is not all of us can do that. Especially you. You most likely won't make money from dropshipping. I'm going to tell you exactly why. So watch the video to the end so you see exactly why there's a very high possibility that you will not make a penny from dropshipping if you do three things or you're accustomed to three things I'm talking about in this video. One of the reasons that will make it impossible for you to make money with dropshipping is that you, first of all, don't understand the psychology behind selling. Yes. What is psychology behind selling? What do people do? What do people want or how do they want it? A lot of times we feel like we know what it is people want and then we sell it to them the wrong way. Let me explain. For example, look at this laptop here. This laptop is an Acer Aspire laptop and the price is for $300. A lot of times we'll see this product and we'll ask ourselves, this particular product, can I make money from it? How can this product help me? How can I do this? How can I? If you're approaching any business, especially the drop shipping business, you have the mentality of I. How can this product help me? How can I make money with this? How can the customer pay me? You would not get off on a good start because you are not thinking about the person you are selling the product to. The person you're selling the product to is the person that's going to give you money. So the question you should be asking yourself is, how can this laptop help my customer? How can this price be favorable to my customer? Once you're able to satisfy whoever is buying this product from you, you then will be able to then satisfy yourself. Because when it comes to business, face it, you are secondary. You are the minority. The main focus is your customer. How do you please them? When you have an idea of how you please your customers, then you have an idea of kind of product to give to them and how will this product help them. So understand the psychology behind selling. Even when you're making your sales page, except you have like an e-commerce which just brings out the product like this, and I'm sure that's not how you do your product. If you're running a dropshipping business, you won't just have a product displayed. You would have a way of warming your customers into buying from you. So if you don't have an e-commerce website like Amazon and like the rest of them like this, and you have a dropshipping business, what you should be doing is explain to your customers how this product benefits them. This is an Acer laptop, and I'm very sure you're not the only person who sells an Acer laptop. If I want the laptop, I know where to go. But the question is, why should somebody buy from you? Why should I buy from you? What's the reason? What's special about your Acer? What's special about you? That is where you come in. That is the selling. That's how you get people to buy from you. Why are you different? Why should I spend my money on buying from you when I can just go to an Acer shop to buy from? Now, let me digress a bit. Products like this, Acer and products that have big brands like Samsung and the rest of them, it's usually very difficult to outsell the owners of this product. What I mean is, if you go to an Acer shop to buy an Acer laptop, you get more like warranty and all of those things from them. What am I saying? I'm saying stay away from products like this that have big brands, that have outlets, different places. Like Samsung have several outlets, iPhone have several outlets. So why sell a product that people can just walk into an outlet near them and buy? So instead of selling products like this, why not sell products that are a bit hard to get, where you cannot easily see it, where even if you walk into a shop, you won't get it. Those are the kind of products you should sell. So I've talked about two things. Now, one of them is understanding what works for your customer would help you make money. If you don't understand what works for them, then no money for you. That leads to the statement that your customer is most likely your king or your client's your king because they are the ones paying for your bills. So if you cannot, one, spot your customer or satisfy their needs, you would not make any money in dropshipping. Now that's the elementary part of it. What's the second thing? The second reason why you will not make money from it. Second reason is that you are selling cheap products. What I mean by cheap products, you're selling products that would not make you money in a short time. And before you know, you'll be burnt out. Now, let me show you an example of a cheap product. Let's go I think I've used it before for one of my videos. Okay, let's look at this product now, for example. I don't know what this is. Balloons. All right. Taking balloons. Ridiculous, guys. Why should you be selling balloons? Now, if you sell balloons and you're making money from it, maybe you have your market or you have your I mean how you do it, but selling things like this to me makes no sense. At the end of the day, how much will you be making from these balloons? How much? 120 pieces of balloon, right? And how much would you sell about here is about $9 or let's say $10. How much will you make? Maybe make an extra $10. How many people how many people really buy balloons? Okay. So first of all, your market is streamlined. Second of all, you are not making lots of money. So the products you tend to sell would determine if you will make money with drop shipping because you will get burnt out. The amount of money you need to sell, the amount of energy, the setup you need to put in place to be able to sell balloons is the same setup you need to put in place to be able to sell things like laptops and whatnot. Now, somebody who is selling products that cost about $10,000 and somebody who's selling product that costs about $10, they are using the same efforts, putting the same things in place, running the same marketing campaign, but one person is obviously cashing out because that person understands the value of getting real value. If that makes sense. So when you want to sell a product or opt in to selling a product, look for product that will give you a whole lot of profit, a whole lot of money. Don't settle for the small product. Don't have the small man's mindset. You're scared because you cannot afford it. You think every other person cannot afford it, and that makes you run away. Please don't run away from big products. Run towards it. Okay? But for those of you who are still scared, because of the type of product you sell, you will not make money. You will start the business, get to a point, and you'll quit because no reward is coming from it. Because you're spending your time, spending your energy, spending your resources in it, you're not getting anything back that is tangible. And I'm sure you will agree that if you're spending all of your time and nothing is coming back, no results, you're not seeing the result, you definitely will not be. That will lead to you quitting the business. This is the second reason why you would not make money with dropshipping. The third and the last reason why you will not make money with dropshipping is that you're in your comfort zone. You don't want to do anything that will be inconveniencing to you. And what I mean is you don't want to spend money, in setting up your dropshipping business. Now, there are a lot of videos out there, a lot of resources out there that tell you, oh, do this for free and make money. Oh, free websites. Oh, free this. Oh, don't spend any money at all. Now, that mindset would not make you money because come think of it, to make money, you need money. For example, you're watching this video now. You need a phone, a device, or a laptop, or a tab. That costs money. You need internet or data. That costs money. All right? Think about it. All of the things you're using now to watch this video, money has been spent. Can be your money, can be someone else's money, but money spent. What about other businesses? Look at big brands like McDonald's. Look at big brands like Meta. Look at big brands like eBay. Look at big brands like Amazon and all of them. These businesses, right? These businesses had a lot of money invested in them. I'm not saying you need to break the bank to start a dropshipping business. I'm saying don't approach it like that. Don't approach thinking you don't want to spend any money because if you approach it like that, you would not really succeed. I'm not saying you should put money in the forefront. There are many things you can do without money. You can spot a product you want to sell, you don't need money for that. You could spot a supplier, you don't need money for that. Many things you could do that you don't need money for. But what about setting up your dropshipping website? You need money for that. What about marketing or campaign? You need money for that. What about engaging an influencer to help you market your product? You need money for that. So you need money for a lot of things. But some things you don't need money for. All right. Now, if you have a problem on how to create a dropshipping website and you don't know how to do that, you need us to help you with that. Tell us in the comment section below and we'll jump on that for you. Right? So these are some of the things you need money for. So approach it like a business. And a bonus tip is don't approach your dropshipping business like a side hustle. A lot of times we tell ourselves, oh, this is a side gig. Oh, this is my side hustle, my side business. The thing is, anything you do on the side, you usually don't give it a lot of attention. All right. Anything that is a spare this, a spare tire, a spare car, a spare phone, a spare that. are things that you don't really give a lot of attention. If you give a lot of attention, they usually will not grow in the pace you want them to grow. All right. So even if you have 2 or 3 jobs you're doing, don't call your dropshipping business a side gig, because mentally, all right, it injects a chemical in your brain telling you that, well, it's side, so I don't need to give it a lot of attention. All right. Because that side can save your life. Have you ever been in a car before and you're driving and have a flat tire? If you don't pump if your spare tire is not in good shape, you will be stranded. So you need your spare tire to be in good shape so that you can use it when you have a flat tire. Okay. So give your dropshipping business attention. Look at it like a side business, but that side business save your life. Many people today started a business they think is side, but eventually when their backs are pushed to the wall, they gave it all their attention. And now those businesses are big and grown now. Instead of calling it your side hustle, your side business, call it your other business. All right. So you can have 2 businesses. That's the way you can have 2 children. Okay. I have 1 child, 2 child, 3 children. All right. So that is how you approach it. Your other business, not your side business, not your side hustle, not your side gig. Because if it's your side gig, you would not give it as much attention, because the first gig or the main gig take all of your attention, and then before you know it, your dropshipping will suffer and die. These are some of the reasons, and many of the other reasons why you would not make any money. But I'm sure throughout this video, you've seen some little nuggets where you see adjustments to make. And when you make this adjustment, you will eventually make money. Let me know in the comment section if some of this that I've mentioned have been a problem for you, and how you've, tried to attack them. Make some of these changes. And if you've not made any changes before, you're seeing this for the first time, let me know some of the changes you will be taking or making that you think would help your business grow, move forward. One of the changes you need to actually make is subscribe to this channel, clicking on the bell button, and like this video, because when you do so, I'll be dropping more tips and tricks, strategies that can help you optimize your dropshipping business. Whether you're an OG in the dropshipping space or you're a newcomer, a lot of the content I drop on this channel can help you expand your dropshipping business, and also make you a lot of cash, that you could end up quitting your 9 to 5 and travel the world and enjoy everything that you do. This Cash by Titas. I hope you got value from this. If you got, why not share this video with somebody else you think might help? And let's all grow together. The sky is big for all of us, so there's no need to fear competition. We all need to help each other grow, in this trying time. I hope you got value from this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, all right, or you have any recommendation or something you're not clear about. Definitely get back to you. Thank you once more, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please watch this next video. See exactly how you could jump into the dropshipping business, excel almost immediately. Yes.